Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wonder Garden channel. Today I will share with you an extremely simple plant care tip that brings noticeable results, especially for those who are just starting out in gardening. If your plant is showing signs of slow growth, yellowing leaves, or weakening, this is the method that can help it recover quickly, sprout new roots, and become healthy and green again. I believe that by simply following today's instructions, you will see a clear transformation in your plant. The plant will recover and bloom brilliantly once more. Let's get started and see how this miracle will bring our plants back to life. To help your plant absorb nutrients more effectively, you should first water the entire pot lightly with clean water before applying the nutrient solution. This step may seem simple, but it's actually very important. When the growing medium and roots are evenly moistened, they become softer, allowing the root capillaries to open up and absorb nutrients more quickly once you apply the solution afterward. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. In addition, clean water helps wash away any residual salts and buildup left in the medium from previous feedings. This prevents nutrient toxicity and keeps the root zone naturally airy, allowing the plant to grow stronger and develop new roots more steadily. After rinsing with clean water, let the plant rest in place for about 15 to 20 minutes. This short waiting time allows the roots to regain their natural moisture balance, preventing shock when they later receive the nutrient solution. To make today's fertilizer, you'll need to use aspirin. This common medication has a mild acidic property that helps stimulate a plant's natural immune system, enabling it to fight off fungal diseases and recover more quickly after damage. Prepare 1.5 liters of clean water, then dissolve 3 aspirin tablets in it. The salicylic acid in aspirin helps stimulate new root growth and promotes flower bud formation, making the plant stronger and more productive. Just a small tablet, when properly diluted, can become an excellent natural fertilizer for your plants. Method 1. The aspirin solution helps keep plants fresh for longer, stimulates new root formation, and strengthens their natural resistance. It's an excellent choice if you want to use it as a hydroponic solution, as aspirin promotes steady, healthy growth while encouraging early sprouting and flower bud formation. When applied regularly, this solution also helps maintain the natural green color of the leaves and reduces root rot in orchids. You can see that the orchids I'm growing hydroponically with this solution have developed an incredibly strong root system. The roots are shiny, plump, and continuously producing fresh new root shoots. This shows that the plants are absorbing nutrients well, perfectly adapting to the hydroponic environment and growing healthily and vigorously day by day. These lilies are no exception. When provided with proper nutrition and care, whether you grow them semi-hydroponically or fully hydroponically, the aspirin solution still works remarkably well. It helps stimulate root development, producing strong, bright white roots that spread quickly through the growing medium, keeping the plants vibrant and full of life. Method 2. If your plant is infected with fungi or shows signs of its pest infestation, the aspirin solution will act as a highly effective natural pesticide. Simply pour the solution into a misting spray bottle, then spray it evenly around the plant and on both sides of the leaves. This method not only helps prevent and eliminate fungal diseases, but also strengthens the plant's natural defenses, keeping the leaves glossy, healthy, and quick to recover after being attacked. When you mist your plants with this solution, it helps clean the leaf surface, removing fungi and small insects clinging to the stems and leaves. At the same time, the aspirin solution stimulates the plant's immune system, allowing it to recover faster and reducing the risk of reinfection. By applying this regularly, about once or twice a week, you'll notice the leaves becoming noticeably greener, shinier, and more vibrant. Method 3. After rinsing the plant and allowing it to rest for a while so the roots can stabilize, we'll water the plant directly at the base using the aspirin solution. This is an important step that allows the plant to fully absorb all the nutrients in the mixture. Aspirin not only stimulates the growth of new roots, but also enhances metabolic activity, helping the plant recover quickly after repotting or being moved to a new growing environment. As the solution soaks deep into the root zone, it creates ideal conditions for stronger, whiter, and healthier root development. At the same time, the plant's natural resistance is boosted, reducing the risk of root rot and fungal infections. If you continue watering with this solution regularly, about twice a month, you'll soon notice a remarkable transformation. Greener leaves, faster sprouting, and orchids that grow strong and vibrant, as if they were being nurtured under the best possible conditions. Method 4. For Phalaenopsis orchids, after misting and watering the base with the aspirin solution, you should use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth to gently wipe the entire surface of the leaves. This helps absorb any excess solution remaining between the leaf joints, preventing rot or residue buildup on the surface. When you wipe the leaves gently from the base toward the tip like this, it not only removes dust and makes the leaves shinier, but also promotes better respiration. The leaves will absorb light more efficiently, perform stronger photosynthesis, and maintain their natural glossy green appearance. This small but essential step also allows you to check the health of your plant. If there are any signs of mold, yellow spots, or tiny pests, you can detect and treat them early. By keeping this habit of regularly cleaning the leaves, your orchids will always stay healthy, glossy, and full of fresh, vibrant energy in your garden. Method 5. The aspirin solution isn't just for plant care. You can also use it to propagate cuttings from various types of plants. Aspirin has a strong ability to stimulate root formation, helping cuttings develop roots quickly and grow more steadily. When you place cuttings into the properly diluted aspirin solution, within just a few days you'll start to see tiny white roots emerging at the base of the stems. This is a clear sign that aspirin is working effectively, naturally promoting root development without the need for synthetic hormones. This method is especially useful for anyone who enjoys propagating plants from cuttings, as it is safe, cost-effective, and helps young plants grow strong from the very beginning. If you want to try a simple yet highly effective way to root cuttings, give the aspirin solution a try. Results. After using this solution for some time, you can easily notice a remarkable change in the plants in my garden. They become healthier, almost free of pests, with glossy, thick, and lush leaves. The root systems grow vigorously, spreading throughout the medium, allowing the plants to absorb nutrients more efficiently. In particular, the orchids and lilies in the garden maintain vibrant vitality. Flowers bloom evenly with bright, vivid colors all year round. Every time I step into the garden, I can feel the gentle fragrance in the air and see the blooms proudly displaying their lively beauty. This is the wonderful result that the aspirin solution brings. A simple, natural, yet highly effective secret that keeps my garden full of colorful flowers and fresh energy every single day. What do you think about caring for plants using this method? Share your thoughts below. I'm really curious to hear how it worked for you. Every comment and experience you share inspires me to keep experimenting and bring more useful natural formulas to our gardens. Caring for flowers is a journey that requires patience and love. When you dedicate enough time, attention, and consistent care to your plants, they will reward you with beautiful blooms, truly reflecting the effort you've put in. Let's nurture that passion together and make our Wonder Garden even more vibrant each day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel, and share it with others who love plants as much as you do. Every like and subscription is a huge motivation for me to continue sharing more natural and effective plant care tips. See you in the next Wonder Garden videos, where we continue to cultivate our love for nature and turn our little gardens into colorful, thriving spaces every day.